Hey guys, Mr. O here. Just going to give you a little bit of a tip or two on your mapping assignment. The first part was to map 10 cities from your region. Should be pretty easy to do that. What you should be doing is Googling a political map, and then what I usually do is click over onto images, and then I choose one that I like. I know that I'm doing the United States, so this United States map looks like it might work. And then I'm just going to hit the view image so I see a little bit of a bigger view of it. And then the cities that I need are all on here. For example, if I'm doing the West, I can see Denver right here. I can see San Diego. I can see Los Angeles, Sacramento, all the cities that I need. And so really all that's left for me to do is to locate those correctly on my map. And that should be pretty easy to do. It just takes a little bit of effort. You probably should have two tabs up. One tab that has this political map on it, and one tab that has your assignment on it, and then just kind of flip back and forth. The second part is just a little bit more difficult. That's the part where we're doing connections between the cities, and so here's another tool that we can use. If I do a quick search for Google Maps, first thing that comes up is Google Maps, and I click on that, and it'll default to Severance, which was not one of my cities. So what I need to do is I need to hit this direction button in the top left. And when I click on that, then it allows me to input two cities. So on the very first line, I'm going to input Denver, and I start to type it, and I hit Denver. And in the bottom one, I'm going to choose San Diego, and you should just choose whatever two you need to connect. And when I connect San Diego, it'll zoom out for me. And pretty awesomely, what it does is it shows me connections between the two. One of the connections is I-70, and you can see it here. And the second one goes to I-15, and then the third one down there, I think the I-15 actually takes me all the way into San Diego. So my connection between Denver and San Diego is Interstate 70, excuse me, and Interstate 15. Those are my two connections. It told me. Also, this is kind of cool. If I click on this other one, this is an airline connection, and it tells me there's a direct flight from Denver nonstop to San Diego. So I could add that to my map if I wanted. Now remember, you can actually put these on your map itself, or you can create something off to the side in which you describe these connections, because I know the map is a little bit small and I know it's difficult to fit everything onto the map. So if instead you want to go in and put it off to the side, you can. And let me just kind of show you what I mean by that. I'm going to go back into the assignment here and bring it up. Let's see. If I bring up this map, it'll bring up what you have. And I wanted just to make sure you understand that this is the map itself, and you still have this area off to the side to my right and this area off to the side to my left. You can add information there. You can add text boxes, you can add shapes. So that's a great place for legends. That's a great place for any of the tools that you want. And in this case, if we're going to not put the connections on the map itself and we're going to put them off to the side, then make a text box and put it off to the side. You probably already know, but here's a bunch of tools up here that are fantastic. Use those. It'll help you out. And then last thing I want to show you, I've had several people make a mistake. If you make a mistake on Google products, very easy to fix. You go up to File, you go to Revision History, and then over in the revision history, it tells me what I've had. If I do show more detailed, you'll have a long list of details and save points, basically, that you've had. So I don't have very many because I just pulled this up for the first time. But all you need to do is go down through these save points, pick the one where it was fixed or working correctly, and then hit Restore this version. And then it'll go back and fix it over here. Don't be stuck with something that's not working. So anyway, hope that helps. You should be working hard on this. This is just about due, so please get after it. When you are done, make sure to hit the turn in button. Thank you.